What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the broken door spring of your car or truck. And check this out, it looks so bad. To do this, you'll need some common tools, a saw, and an extension to remove some nuts. I'll leave a proper tool for that in the description box. Anyway guys, let's get started. First we need to remove this panel by using a flat screwdriver. Use a tape for prevent damages, just like this. Also you can remove this with your bare hands too. Now remove this panel right here by using that flat screwdriver. Now we have to lose two bolts by using our extension. There was another nail to remove. Now the crank arm. This is not necessary if you have power shutters. Just disconnect the harness and you are done. Now we have to disconnect door clips by using the screwdriver, just like this. Finally the door panel ready to remove. Now remove the polythene cover like that. Also remove these things to get access for the door handle. I placed the two bolts right here to prevent misplacements. Now this polystyrene stuff. There was a hole to get access for a nut. Let's unscrew it. Now for the another one, we can easily remove it by using a wrench. Before we remove the handle, we have to unlink a lock inside there. Here's a little demonstration how to do it. Just rotate clockwise and it's unlinked. Now the door handle was ready to remove. As you can see, the spring was broken, which definitely need to replace. That's how a spring should be positioned. We need to cut this rivet and remove the spring. After a few minutes of cutting, I managed to remove the broken spring. I found another one from Junkyard that works fine. Just sand a little bit, don't oversand it. Now let's install our spring into this rivet and weld the rivet to restore the strength. Well, now it works fine like a new one. Just add some oil for the spring if the spring was an old one. Alright, halfway done. Let's put these things back together. Reinstall the door handle first. Screw two nuts. Connect rod to the handle. Let's see how they're working good or not. Well, it functions well. Now let's install a polystyrene stuff bag. Now this metal stuff, screw those two bolts back. You can see this panel mount got broken, but we can easily fix by using a high strength double tape. And there you go. Now replace the polythene cover back. And the door panel. Just place clips, screw the nail there, and screw two bolts right there. And these panels too. Finally the crank arm. Just place the pin and push. That's all. Alright, now our door handle is working fine. And you guys, hope you enjoyed the video and thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, be consider to be a subscriber and stay tuned for more. Have a good day guys. Take care.